Hey, what's up, YouTube.com? I'm sure a lot of you guys are wondering how to do the Mort voice how to do the King Julien / Mort voice from Madagascar.
Lose yourself to dance.
Now, I'm sure we've all seen the girl on TikTok do it.
Can I touch your feet?
Now, let's take a look at the scene.
King Julien, can I touch your feet?
No, Mort, do not touch the feet.
Please, King Julien, can I touch your feet?
Mort, do not touch the feet.
First, hold on. The first thing that we'll be going over is Mort's voice. So Mort's voice is fairly high pitched.
King Julien. King Julien, can I touch your feet?
Now, he has this kind of accent to him. When you pronounce your T's, you gotta put your tongue to the, like you're going, like kind of like that. You put your tongue to the back of your two front teeth.
Touch. Like touch.
Like if you're saying it in a normal voice. Touch. Touch. It's like you're but it's like more.
King Julien.
When you say the King
Julien.
It's kind of like when you try to speak Spanish.
King Julien, can I touch your feet?
Hey YouTube again. I forgot to add the most important part, which is that you need to get this from your nasals. Your nasals are what make it high pitched, and you want to make your voice really annoying and nasally, like the girl from Zack and Cody that had the really annoying voice. So yeah. Also, I added this fan cam of Rambo because I was too lazy to take another video of myself and put it, so I added fan cams of Minecraft YouTubers who are famous.
No, Mort, you cannot touch my feet.
Now we're going over to the King Julien voice. This voice is really from your diaphragm and your big fat tummy. So really, you just gotta dig deep down in there. You know, it takes a lot of your heart and soul to doing this voice.
No, Mort, you cannot touch the feet.
After you get it from your diaphragm, as it's going up, you gotta deepen it in your throat.
No, Mort, do not touch the feet.
This is really hard since I have a high voice, so kind of when I do the King Julien voice, I almost have to shit my pants. But that's kind of the sacrifice you have to make when you go into Hollywood and you do these impressions and you do voice acting, like I do. Now going over to King Julien and how he enunciates these words, it's almost the exact same.
No, Mort, you cannot touch the feet.
The T's are the only difference. Sorry. When you do these T's, it's
no, Mort, you cannot touch the feet.
It's like like a ticking bomb. Yeah. So let's start it from the top.
Fuck. King Julien, can I touch your feet?
No, Mort, do not touch the feet.
Please, King Julien, can I touch your pretty little feet?
No, Mort, do not touch the feet.
After you get this down, you can really do a lot of things. You can really improvise with it. So yeah, I'll give you some examples. POV, Mort is ordering from McDonald's and King Julien is a drive-thru worker.
Hello, can I please get a Big Mac?
Is there anything else you would like?
Could I get large fries and a Coca-Cola to drink?
Mort, is that you?
King Julien, I can't believe it's you, oh my god!
Pulls up to window.
Hello, King Julien.
Mort, here is your fries.
Thank you, King Julien.
Here is your Big Mac and your drink.
King Julien, thank you so much. Can I touch your feet?
Next up, we have Mort tries to seduce King Julien.
Hi, King Julien.
Mort, I already told you I cannot touch your feet.
Oh, don't you worry, King Julien. I will obey everything you tell me.
Okay.
King Julien, I just can't stop staring into your big orange eyes and your striped tail.
Mort, you're scaring me.
Oh, don't you worry, King Julien. I love everything about you.
Yeah, so that's it for today, guys. Like and subscribe.